Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses model GG0475S in color code 002. The color of the frame is Havana, and the lenses are gray. These glasses are also a pilot shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved. Its temples are Havana, and you'll also find the Gucci logo in silver on its temples. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 150 is for its temples. You'll also find the GG Gucci emblem on its temple tip in silver. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.